So in this video we'll be talking about binded malwares or various file formats in which malwares come, and we'll also investigate them using hex editors and stuff like that. So usually what happens is there are tons of files in your computer with different extensions. We have different file formats, and similarly malwares are in different file formats. Most people think that executable file is the malware or virus, but exe file is not always my malware or stuff. Malwares come in various files. We have vbs file, inf file, that is autorun.inf and stuff like that. Then we have 7-zip file and 7z file, zip file, rar file. So these are self-extracting archives. And we have portable executables. Yes, we have exe files, but there is a new thing in the market, that is excel macros and ppt macros. Then we have all multimedia files. So malwares can be binded to mp4 and jpeg file, your images, png file and stuff like that. So almost all of these files are used in your office or at your home, and to find the malwares you have to use hexadecimal representation of the file. So that is PE format. So what is PE format, and we'll talk about that in the next in few minutes actually. And if you have 4D5A, so you have to always follow 4D5A rule to analyze the malware. So if you are given a case wherein you have to find the malware in the file system or in the drive, what you have to do is you have to just open up. You first have to create an image and then boot the image in VirtualBox, and then you have to go to Flare and you can use the hex editors. So there are tons of hex editors and the most used is HXD. And on the right hand side we have many options available. So you have to scan each and every file on the disk or on the computer, and what you will notice is it gives a tons of information, but we are following the 4D5A rule. And what is the rule all about? So the PE format is basically forcing the DOS operating system or DOS to run the executable in DOS format. And even if it is an mp4 file, in background it will be running exe commands, or what you can say malware will be executing in the background. So let's take a look how it works. So in the first PE we have 4D5A, so that basically indicates it's a malware. If you open Google Chrome shortcut, you will see INF file with 4C extension. So there is a small rule over here: anything with 4D5A is an executable file. So even if it looks like an mp4 or mp3 file or jpeg file or any other multimedia file, let it be excel or anything else, ppt, if it is 4D5A, you will take a closer look and you will understand the difference. So basically 4D5A or INF file is basically executable file. And in my metasploitable video I've showed you a tutorial. I have a tutorial on how hackers can bind mp4 file or any other multimedia file or excel file to malware. So you have to analyze all the files on the drive, on the disk, and then you will find all the malware's executable file. You can proceed with the investigation.